It's Eddie from Weoley Tropicals. Just a really quick video today. I have started the unwrapping of the bananas, both Musa Sikkimensis and Musa Basjoo. All I'm going to do, because the temperatures are going to drop as I did the last video for the full spring, is they get wet inside. If you can see, if you can get into focus, you can see all that moisture in there. So what I'm going to do is during the warmer parts of the day, I'm just going to take off the covers that I've got in there, leave it off for the vast majority of the day, unless there's any like major cold spells, which I don't think there is during the actual day. And then I'm going to wrap them back up at night. All I've done with these ones, these have come through absolutely perfect, although they do look a little bit kind of sweaty to say the least, but these will dry out in absolute no time. And then with the Sikkimensis that I've got over in the corner, these were quite mushy, so what I've done is I'll cut them back on a slant, and just to see, as I can see already, the new growth is already starting to slightly pop out. It's only raised by about 1 millimetre, but I only did that about an hour ago, so it's all systems go again. And then I'll show you the very final one. Another example there, one that's been cut right in the middle, and all I did is just sliced it really cleanly, just to let all this part to dry out. As you can see, they are extremely wet, and the last thing you want to do is right on the last knock-ins with these, just as they're about to get unwrapped for the season, is for them to have more damage for them being rotted off. So where possible, depends on your setup, but mine's only a rotary line cover, so it's going to take me 2 seconds to slide that back over the top of the banana at the end of the day. I'll just be doing that for the next week or so, and then after that I'll just chance it on the days where I can see the overnight temperature drops drastically. I'll run out and I'll wrap them back up again. But I'm very happy with how these have come through. These, it doesn't really do it justice, but compared to my hand, you can see that the trunks on those are absolutely huge. So hopefully there's going to get some really good height on that, and that's the whole point of why we've done this. So if you're wondering why I've bothered to wrap them, it's just we didn't want them to shoot from the ground. I wanted to keep these at 6 foot now. Those ones in the corner are about 3 or 4 foot, and that one's about 3 foot over there, so it just gives me an extra couple of months to try and get the maximum out. Hopefully you found this quick video helpful, because I get a lot of questions on when should you do it. Depends on your area. Look for 8, 9 and 10 as being the lowest, whether that's day or night temperatures, and then as soon as it's above 10, whether it's day or night, you know you're absolutely in the clear, and then you don't need to bother with any of this wrapping again until the end of the season. But thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.